Hey everybody, TrapperFURever here. Just out checking some coyote snares. She's cold today, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Minus 34 this morning, and just checking a few coyote sets here, and looks like we picked one up here fairly fresh, I think. Okay, so this is kind of at the ditch. I caught one here last check, and I said I had just kind of a ditch running behind where it was there, so it looks like we picked one up here. And yeah, we'll take a quick look at her. Yeah, there she be. Not sure if I'm going to be able to remate this here or not, but what I can tell is nice coyote, so that's good. We'll yeah, looks like a big coyote actually, eh? So I'll try to set you up here and pull them out of here, and yeah, like I said, it's minus 34. And got a couple more sites to check here, so I'll find my leather gloves here somewhere. I think I'll just cut this one, and usually I pull them off, but there we go. Snap them off. Yeah, looks like a good coyote. Yeah, it looks good. So we'll just want to show everybody how I carry coyotes out. I just bring a little nylon rope with a slip knot, and I just attach the feet to them. Yeah, it makes it for easier carrying. Just kind of carry it like a suitcase, and if you catch two, you can take two out, and it's a little bit easier that way. So anyway, we'll get him to the sleigh, and that'll be good. We'll check a couple more sites, see if we got something else. I'll turn you on. Hey there, everybody. I thought I'd just turn you on here. Right here, we got about a mile and a half to go to the next site. So the bait site there, and if we catch anything, I'll turn you back on. Hey there, just it's the second bait site here. Just wanted to show you something here. It's just kind of a runoff here. This is close where I caught that wolf a couple weeks ago, but the wolves were here. They got a power snare here set kind of on this old dam right over there, and looks like that wolf walked right up to it and backed away. But we've got a coyote at the other wolf ram just down the dip here, so I'll show that to you in 2 secs. Well, the camera's freezing up here, but got this coyote here. It looks like a nice pale one, and those wolves actually, he trashed this place, but those wolves come behind after he got caught, I guess, so that's gonna scare him away, I guess. But anyway, this ram is bloodied, so I'm gonna have to, I wanted to put another couple wolf rams here, so this one's bloodied, so I'll have to get her home and get her cleaned up. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. So we got a couple coyotes today. Got one more site to check. Not so very hopeful, like I said on that one, but we shall see anyways. Anyway, take care. Talk to you later. Hey, TrapperFURever here. Just picked up that coyote. It's the second bait station here, and looks like I think we picked up another one up here. So just across the road where the other coyote was caught here. So anyway, we'll flip around and see what we can find. This is kind of the open bush where the ravens got at that one last pick, and looks like the ravens were in this one too. But anyway, that one was right here, and let's see what we got here. Yeah, good old ravens. But well, let's see if he's salvageable or not. Got a pretty big. Oh, he's really pale, so that's too bad. Wow, that's a nice looking dog if it wasn't for the holes, but well, we'll get him out of here and see what we can do, and take it from there. We'll catch up with you later, turn you on if there's something else elsewhere. Hey everybody, TrapperFURever. Just made it back to the yard, getting kind of dark, but that's okay. We're back, and our catch for today. Picked up 3 coyotes, 2 good ones, one really nice. Well, the middle one's pretty big, and the ravens got into this nice pale one, but I think I'll be able to salvage something out of it. So not bad of a day. Yeah, it's been a cold one today, so. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that, and yeah, so we're gonna get in, gonna get warmed up, and that'll be it for tonight, I guess, eh? So anyway, got some frost on the old pumpkin here, so anyway, we'll get the sled away and the sleigh and stuff, and we'll head her in, have something warm to drink. So we'll talk to everybody later, and like I said, guys, life's better on the mountain.